Hi LifterLMS users. Running a LifterLMS site means quizzes can take forever when you type every question in the dashboard. LifterLMS Question Importer is now upgraded to let you build quizzes directly from Google Sheets. This will improve productivity and save you time many-fold. So, now you can delegate anyone to create quizzes and paste the link of that sheet in WordPress, and see all quizzes imported to LifterLMS. Isn't it great? There is no learning curve to use the Google Sheets way of import. The format is the same as a CSV template file. There are many benefits attached to Google Sheet import method. Every quiz sheet is saved to your drive, so a backup that is always available. Need to edit question? It will sync to your LifterLMS. You can share sheets with your team or teacher who can work on it, and changes will reflect automatically in LearnPress. Working is very easy. You share the sheet correctly, paste the URL, and the plugin pulls the data the same way it would from a file. Let us concentrate on the demo now. You need WordPress with LifterLMS running, the LifterLMS Question Importer plugin installed and up to date, and a Google account. Download the sample CSV from the plugin screen once and use row 1 of that sample as your header row in Google Sheets. Same names, same order, no gaps. Create a new spreadsheet and name it clearly. Paste the header row from the sample into row 1. Add your data 1 row per question: course title, section title, quiz title, question title, content, type, answers, correct answer, and the other columns exactly as the sample shows. Keep long text and line breaks inside one cell. Do not split one question across rows. In Google Sheets, click Share, set access to anyone with the link, role viewer, not editor. Copy the full URL from the address bar. In the admin, go to LifterLMS. LifterLMS, Question Importer, open the Google Sheet tab. Choose your import mode, create, update, or replace, match what you need. Paste the URL and run import. Read the success message and the summary. Fix any listed rows in the sheet and import again if needed. Spot check a few quizzes in LifterLMS before learners see them. Faster quizzes, fewer mistakes, and a workflow your team can share in Google Sheets without changing your template. Update LifterLMS Quiz Importer. Mirror the sample headers, share view only, paste the link, and import. That is your next course launch, simplified.